This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, so welcome to in SFDC Pathshala. So now in my previous videos we have seen how we can add a small, you can say it's a text message on our Lightning Web component, and that component we have added on the UI. Now from there we can go to our code. Now what we are going to do, so let's take examples. Here we have a simple message on our UI. Now let's take example. So here we have a card. So every development will be done on a card. So if this type of white background card, if you want to develop inside Salesforce, so it's very easy. We have to go for what? We have a library, that is component library of Salesforce, that you can go and access it. So here is the URL. You can use this URL and you can go to the library. In library, if you can type for card. So once you type card here, you'll get the option Lightning Web Component, and here we have the option card. Click on this card. Here we have the all the option basics card. So for basics card details, here we have the code. So that code you just have to copy and you have to use as it is in your code. You can go there and I can instead of this text message, I can provide this card details. Right? Inside this card, I can remove this everything. I can pass my message that hi, this is my first Lightning Web component. So I can pass a message inside a card. Now let's see. I can Lightning Web component. Now let's see if I'm going to deploy this card in my Salesforce org, how it looks like. So let's go and use Control S. Again, you will get the option this deploy. Click on this deploy. So you see it has successfully deployed now. And once it is deployed again, we can go to the UI. You can refresh this page and you can see the message that we have added in previous recording. So let's refresh it. Once you refresh it, you can see now a card, a white background card has been added here, and on that card here is the title of the card, and here we have the message that we have passed. Now it depends if you want to use this message in colorful. So what we can do, we can go in the code, and whatever the message we are providing, that message we have to put inside div. Div is what? It's division. That division, put this message, and we can provide the styling. Style, I can provide here. Color, I can provide, let's say the color is green. I can provide font size. Font size, let's take here we have font size is, let's say 30 px. That's again. So once we have made the changes, then once we have keep our string in the div format, we can control this, we can use control this, and then we can deploy it. And once we can deploy, it is successfully deployed. We can go back and we can refresh this page. Once you refresh this page, let's see how your UI looks like. Yeah, you can see whatever the message you have given, string message, that will be in the green color. So this is how you can add your CSS part also. You can add the colors also. Now let's take example, just like a Lightning Web component. Here we can see as a standard format. Here we have a we can say logo. That type of logo, if you want to add it, so of course we have the option. We can go for the library. In library, we can go for card with narrow variant, and here we have icon name. So that icon name you can copy it and you can use to your code. So I can also use here icon name. And this icon name I can use for account, I can use for contact, lead, or any custom object. Currently I'm using for account. So let's see. Again, Control S. That is going to be deployed now. It's deployed successfully. And once it has deployed, you can see, you can go to the UI, you can refresh your page, and you can see definitely a logo has been added here. That is the account logo. If you want to use this contact logo, just you have to go and change that icon is contact, and then again deploy it. Once you have deployed again, you can go and refresh it. That logo will be of contact logo, it's added. You can see now it's contact logo. If you want contract logo, add here contract. Again you can deploy it. Okay? And again this refresh this page. So here we have the contract logo. See, contract logo. So like that, if you want to use any custom logo, so here we have to go for lightning design system. So lightning design, it's a design system that is given by Salesforce, where we have all types of icons. In lightning design system, I can go and click on these icons, and here we have n number of icons. Any of these icons I can go and add it. It's you can see it's a black and white icon. If you can scroll it down, here we have documents icon. If you scroll it down, here we have multiple different icons. Any type of icon if you want to add, you can add it. How can we add it? So just we have to take the icon which you want to add. Let's take example. I want to add something, this icon, filter icon. Or let's take, I want to add something, let me, yes, this priority icon. So I can take this, which category this priority belongs to. So this, all these icons belongs to, here we have action icon. So you can see here we have the category, utility, doc type, standard, custom, and action. All these icons belongs to action icon. So I can take here the same code I can use here. Instead of standard, I can use action, and here I have to use which action type I want to use. I want to use priority. I can copy that. I can use here priority, and just I can go Control S and click on this deploy. Once it is deployed successfully, we can go and check the UI now, and definitely you can see that icon is going to be updated. See, it's updated. So we can add standard icons as well as we can add the custom icons. So guys, this is all about. Now in next session, we are going to see how we can create inputs in our lightning component and how we can add it here. Okay, thank you.